In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to schedule meetings effectively. Google Calendar is a powerful tool for managing your time and keeping your appointments organized. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to your browser and heading to calendar.google.com. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It can really help if you understand where everything is situated before diving into creating events. Now, when you're ready to schedule a meeting, you have two key options to begin. You can either click the Create button located at the top left corner of your screen, or simply click on the specific time slot on the calendar that corresponds with your meeting's timing. Once you initiate the creation of a new event, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the details of your meeting. Here, you'll start by giving your meeting a relevant title. For instance, if it's a team collaboration regarding marketing strategies, you might title it Marketing Meeting. Next, move on to setting the date and time for the meeting. This is crucial. Ensure it doesn't clash with other commitments you or your guests might have. Google Calendar is excellent at helping you visualize these potential overlaps. After you've established the timing, it's time to consider where this meeting will take place. If it's a physical location, enter that in the location section. If you're using Google Meet for a virtual meeting, the platform typically generates a link automatically, which is quite convenient. Now, a meeting wouldn't be complete without participants. So let's go ahead and click the Add Guests button. Here, you'll input the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. Just type them in, and as you do, they'll automatically be added to the invitation list. A great feature of Google Calendar is that once your guests are added, they will receive an email invitation. This allows them to RSVP with options like yes, no, or maybe. Next, don't forget to include additional critical information about the meeting. There is a notes section where you can detail a meeting agenda or any necessary background information. It's also a handy spot to add any important links or resources. If there are specific documents or files that pertain to the meeting, you can efficiently attach those through Google Drive, ensuring that all invitees have everything they need beforehand. Setting up notifications can be a lifesaver. It's wise to have a reminder pop up just before the meeting, say 10 minutes in advance, to give everyone a heads up. Finally, once everything is filled out, click Save. At this point, you'll be prompted to send the invitations to your guests. Opt to send, and voila, your meeting is scheduled. It's now on everyone's calendar, and you've successfully orchestrated a gathering with ease. Congratulations, you have just harnessed the full potential of Google Calendar to streamline your meeting scheduling.